What's the meaning of agonized? Agonized. 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 Agonized refers to a state of extreme physical or mental pain and distress. It is a term used to describe intense suffering or torment, often accompanied by feelings of grief or despair. When someone is agonized, they may struggle to cope with overwhelming emotions or physical symptoms that cause them significant discomfort. The result of being in an agonized state can vary depending on the individual and the specific circumstances involved, but it generally entails great difficulty and hardship, both emotionally and physically.